Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naturally Nappy here, and I am doing a once in a lifetime, clearly because I don't do these too often, makeup little tutorial, little get ready with me or whatever. I have been contemplating doing one of these again for quite a while, but I'm not a big makeup wearer. You guys know that as you see my videos, throwing some mascara, maybe some lashes, some lip gloss, and that's it. That's how we go. But you know, I'm just trying to bring some more content to my channel and, you know, give you some of the things that you guys like because you did really enjoy that video. So without further ado, before we go any further, please make sure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, you hit the bell so that you can be a part of the Nap family, and we are going to get right into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing I need to do, of course, is clean up these brows. Been in the house way too long, and I have just been getting real ugly. So I have my little brow perfecting kit that I purchased from Walmart. Just something, little tweezers to get my little hairs, as well as some scissors to clean up any whatevers. So I have my mirror here, and I will start messing with these. Whenever I don't have time to make it to the salon to get my eyebrows done, I always reach for my tweezers. These are really good tweezers. They get out all the little hairs and just give them a little shape up using the tweezers, and then I'll follow up with the little scissors, you know, brush it up just to make sure that they're all even. I'm not creating a bald spot, you know, all that fun stuff. Very simple. I think I got this kit for about maybe like $5 to $7 at Walmart, and it works great when you're just trying to get some flyaways or just, you know, clean up the brows without having to go back and forth to the salon. And y'all know I'm a neat freak, so I am pulling all of the hairs up from like deep in there. I am getting them all. So of course, like as I'm cleaning them up, I'm making sure that that it is like to the T, and if not, I'm trying to find a way to fix it or alter it so that it's to my liking. I also follow up with this eyebrow archer, which has a razor on it to clean up any of my natural facial hairs. I am a hairy person, so this definitely cleans up any of the hairs that are around my face that I can't really get. So it just gives me this perfect cleaned up look. I don't normally get a unibrow, but like I said, I've been in quarantine for a while, and there are a couple of hairs there, so I want to make sure I use my eyebrow archer to clean that up as well. Now that I have cleaned up my brows, I'm checking them out to make sure I didn't miss anything I might, you know, take your eyes off of, and go back to make sure you didn't miss anything. Sometimes you need a fresh pair of eyes. I am using my Mary Kay face wash cloths. These are dry washcloths that you just add a little bit of water to, and it's instantly activated. I really like these cloths because I don't have to worry about, you know, making a mess of them, or, you know, them drying out after too much time. I get to hold on to them as long as I need to, add a little bit of water to them, and they're good to go. And now I'm taking my washcloth and washing away all of the soap. Fresh start. My face is clean and bare and ready for my makeup. Once my face is dry enough and I feel like it's ready to start putting on my primer, I apply my Tula Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. This is a makeup gripping base that won't clog your pores and offers immediate brightening plus long-term skin benefits, especially for people who have blemish-prone skin. Just know a little goes a long way. It's thick like a petroleum jelly, but once you rub it on your skin, it feels like a baby powder, but my face feels very, very soft and smooth. Now for my foundation, I will be using the Pure 4-in-1 foundation stick in the shade Dark. This is a cream to velvet matte stick that creates a flawless illusion. I found at Ulta when searching for a makeup that would match my skin complexion. And as you can see, it's a teensy bit off, but once I blend it out and do my contour and all the other fun stuff, it blends in very, very well. It looks very natural and it's not too heavy. I can wear this in the summertime and my face doesn't feel caked up. Don't catch me sweating. I don't have to worry about, makeup transferring too much. I really, really like this brand, and I did like that it worked well with my skin. So I'm just using my beauty blender to just blend it into my skin and make it as even around as possible, making sure I get those under my eyes very well, getting in the corners of my eye, and just making sure that it's as flawless as possible. Because it is as creamy as it is, a little does go a long way, so I was able to cover my face with that as much as I did put on my face, and I still think I could have used a little bit less. And now I am using my favorite Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. And this is for medium to medium deep skin with golden undertones. This works so well. It is so creamy, and it does exactly what it says it's going to do. I put this under my eyes and it gives me a great highlight under the eyes, and it conceals any of the bags. I love this stuff. This is about my third to fourth purchase of this product, and I can't get enough. You guys, I love this stuff. Now, forewarning, I may have put a little too much on this time, but I made it work. At first it seemed like it was going on a little lighter than usual, so I kept adding, but looking at the camera, I had just enough. But looking in the mirror on my side, it didn't seem like it was enough, so I kept adding. But I blended out good enough to where it didn't look too bad. Now don't cut me, y'all, please don't. I owe y'all another video, but my camera cut out in the midst of me applying on my contour as well as doing my eyebrows. I didn't even know it was off. I did it all and found out that it was nothing there. I was also playing around in some lippies, but I settled with this burgundy color, and I also put a gloss on top to lighten it up in a little, to not make it as dark and heavy. And then I cleaned it up with a Q-tip. That is my go-to when I don't want to physically put my hands on it or, mess up my makeup. But this lippy is a little bit more pigmented, so I had to use my finger to clean it off, and then I just followed up with my makeup brush to cover it back up. Made it work. And lastly, I am going to add on these 3D mink lashes that I got from the beauty supply store. You guys already know that is my go-to. If I don't do anything else, that is definitely what I would add to my look to give it a little pop. And before applying the lashes to my eyes, I make sure that I cut off my tips. I have little eyes, so I have to cut off each end so that it doesn't poke me in the eyes. But I am using my Ardell Duo Lash Glue. This stuff is amazing. No, I am not using hair glue. This stuff dries on really clear. It takes a few seconds for it to dry, and then I'm good to go. I apply these lashes and I am bomb, baby. I've learned a technique when applying my lashes. I'm going to share it with you. If you have your mirror below your chin line and you look down into your mirror, it's easier for you to make sure that your lashes are closest to your regular lashes, so that you don't have it too much on your lid, but it's more natural on the eye and you don't have to keep adjusting it. So I'm using my lash applicator. And I switch between the applicator and my fingers just in case I just need that more precise feel and look. Sometimes, just my fingers just can get it rather than the applicator. But the applicator does help me get it on my natural lashes versus it being on my lid. So I definitely can appreciate that. I just squeeze it together and it moves up closer. But you have to make sure the glue is still a little wet so that it can easily adjust. And after checking myself out for a quick little minute, y'all, I look good. Makeup came out flawless. The lipstick was a perfect combination with this look. Lashes on point. My eyebrows aren't too dramatic like they used to be. Look at me. I am moving up in the world, y'all. Now watch this little photo shoot. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.